Raila Amolo Odinga, the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, has grown bigger than ODM as a party. That is why we call him Baba. Baba is going to be a candidate of a coalition of several parties under Azimio la Umoja to unite our country. And therefore, and ODM's policy is based on democracy and transparency. And remember, Baba fought and put his head on the rail for many years, getting detained for a continuous 8 years in order to fight for democracy in this country. And this is the space he fought for, democracy. I believe Sifuna is simply scared of our ability. Engineer Gumba and I, if they wanted to hire us, even today, to deliver for ODM, they know we will deliver for ODM. So if they don't want to hire us to deliver for them, to avoid what we call voter apathy, we would want Right Honorable Raila Odinga to get as many votes as possible. We want to encourage each and every person that thinks he can run on any other party to run on that party, so that we don't lose any votes. But most interestingly, I would say that Sifuna cannot deliver for ODM even an MCA seat in Bungoma. And he knows we can deliver for ODM all the seats in Siaya. So we are not at the same level with him. Yeah. So that is our position.